Hello, this is the team at tennillebiggers, realtor with Keller Williams Elite Partners 3, bringing you an exciting update on several new construction sites in Horizon West, a community on the southern end of Winter Garden. Our first tour today will be of Hamlin Ridge by Dreamfinder Homes. This community is located at Silver Grove Boulevard off of Avalon Road. This is a townhome community with 3 models that range from 1,644 square feet to 1,729 square feet. Dreamfinders has a design studio with interior design consultant, and they offer choices on cabinets, flooring, countertops, brand name appliances, faucets, window coverings, home automation, and more. As of January 2024, this community is zoned for Hamlin Elementary, Hamlin Middle, and Horizon High. Next up, we have another community by Dreamfinder Homes. This is Hamlin Pointe, and it's located at Silver Grove Boulevard, just right by the Hamlin Ridge neighborhood on Avalon Road. This is a bungalow community with 3 models and 53 home sites. Their sizes range from around 1,800 square feet to around 2,000 square feet. Dreamfinders has a design studio with interior design consultant with choices on cabinets, flooring, countertops, brand name appliances, faucets, window coverings, home automation, and more. As of January 2024, this community is also zoned for Hamlin Elementary, Hamlin Middle, and Horizon High School. Another community located off Avalon in this Silver Grove Boulevard area is Silverleaf Oaks by Pulte Homes. This will be a mix of single-family and townhomes. The amenities will include a resort-style pool, cabana, kids' playground, and no CDD. Pulte has a design center for personalization of the home, and they use energy-efficient features in the roof, HVAC, appliances, windows, and lighting. As of January 2024, this community is also zoned for Hamlin Elementary, Hamlin Middle, and Horizon High. Next up, we have Tribute at Ovation by MI Homes. This site has 99 home sites with 2 townhome models. They have 3 bedrooms and they range from 1,700 to 1,800 square feet. These homes will have large windows, alley garages, private courtyards, and street parking for guests. The window model includes a flex space to use as an office, guest room, playroom, or gym. Amenities will include a community center, pool, cabana, playground, dog park, and scenic walking trails. Lawn care is included with the HOA. As of January 2024, this community is zoned for Panther Lake Elementary, Water Springs Middle, and Horizon High. Our last community is Serenade at Ovation by Dreamfinder Homes. This is a mixed home community with townhomes, bungalows, and single-family options. There are 3 townhome floor plans, 3 bungalow floor plans, and 6 single-family floor plans. The square footage ranges from 1,600 square feet to 2,800 square feet. Dreamfinders has a design studio with interior design consultant, and they offer choices on cabinets, flooring, countertops, brand name appliances, faucets, window coverings, home automation, and more. Community amenities include a pavilion, walking trails, tot lot, and community clubhouse. As of January 2024, this community is also zoned for Water Spring Elementary, Water Spring Middle, and Horizon High. We are excited for all the new communities coming to Winter Garden. If you'd like more information on any of these neighborhoods, reach out. Tennille's contact information is in the video description box.